To view your sales tax report, head to the top menu in InventoryLab and click on Reports. Then, select Sales Tax from the drop-down. By default, the report will display data for the current month, but you can easily change the view to match your needs. Use the drop-down to select from the preset ranges like daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Need to save or share the data? Just click Export to download your current view as a file. Let's break down what you'll see. Total taxable sales. This is the dollar amount of all taxable sales. Total sales tax collected. This shows how much sales tax was collected from those taxable sales. Total marketplace facilitator tax. This is the amount of tax Amazon collected and remitted on your behalf. Total sales tax refund. If an item was refunded, this shows the tax refunded to the buyer. Total marketplace facilitator tax refund. This is the tax Amazon refunded to you, since they already sent it to the IRS previously. All of this data is automatically synced from Amazon, and it also appears in the Other section of your profit and loss report for easy reference. At the bottom of the report, you'll see a bar graph. Just hover over each bar for a quick glance summary of your sales tax data. It's a great visual snapshot of your activity. And that's it. With just a few clicks, InventoryLab gives you a clear, organized view of your sales tax data. Thanks for watching.